It's beginning to look a lot like Advent. Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome to day 18 of the Advent Calendar series. There is only one more week left until Christmas, and I can't believe that that's even a thing that I'm saying right now. Like, I know I've said this in previous videos, but really, where has the time gone? The Madam Glam elves have taken it away. But with all of these surprises every day and these gorgeous Madam Glam products, Madam Glam has sure made this a very special holidays. So without further ado, we are going to grab day 18 and open her up and find out what's in store. As I dance my little phalanges all over the place, I know in day 18, with that size, we might be getting another mini polish. And every single one of these mini polishes are a limited edition. So I am buzzing right now just trying to figure out, first of all, how to open the box. And secondly, what color? Purple. Oh, all of the purple magic. So this beautiful color is called Wonderlust. And this makes complete sense for Madam Glam because with all of their holiday, their holiday collection, and with any collection they do month to month, they travel all around the world. And that destination is going to be where the polishes are inspired. So I just think the fact that they named a polish Wonderlust is so amazing because Madam Glam lets you get out all of the Wonderlust feelings. You get to travel to Aspen this month, you know, it's just so amazing. Every year we got Boston, we got New York, you know, you can travel to the Philippines for a glorious rubber, base coat, like all of the magic. So I am just taking Wonderlust on this beautiful coffin swatch, and we are swatching her. So I would definitely give this 5 bottles of opacity on the opacity level. And as you see, that was such a beautiful full coverage. Now, with Madam Glam, I do like to work in 2 thin coats, but I just find, oh gosh, this color is stunning. It's a mauve. This is a very beautiful purple. And it's very interesting. I wanted to show you, like, without my flash and with, because you get kind of like this dusty, like, dark purple, and then when the light shines, you get this bright mauve. It's so beautiful. Honestly, Madam Glam, all of the color story that you chose for this holiday season, the blues, the pinks, the purples, the nudes, the sparkles, just all of the magic. I just thank you. This has been such an amazing advent calendar, and we're only on day 18. So I can just imagine what is in store for the next few days, the next 7 days to be exact. Can you believe it? Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Charm Squad, for coming in to another Advent Calendar series, day 18, and tomorrow will be day 19. Remember, all codes are in the description box below. And make sure you run over to my Charm Sisters videos. All of their links are in my description box because you do not want to miss. Their unboxings are amazing and they're doing demos and showing you all sorts about the gift of glam. So please head over to their channels. Sending all of the love and light. Mwah. Can't wait to see you in the next one.